Are you tired of thumbing through this outdated material we call a book? Did you know EngineTechCatalog.com is open 24/7? You can use your make and model, VIN code search, or search by engine.
Dr. Bumpstick, did you know you can view live inventory and specs online and technical bulletins? Of course you do, you're a doctor.
Well, would you look at that? Just take a look at it.
Did you know you can drop ship through our online catalog? It's easy.
Did you guys know that we have shop supplies? It's little things that make a big difference. On your next order, be sure to include the gasket maker and also these texturized nitrile gloves. Oh, and one more thing that we have. Engine bags. Be sure to include these on your next order. Thank you guys.
Hello, Miguel here with your warehouse report. Did you know that we have multiple locations? Your nearest location may just be 15 minutes away. You can pick up orders at will call at California, Oregon, Illinois, New Jersey, North Carolina, and Florida. Let's not forget Texas. Please visit us at EngineTech.com to view your nearest location. Back to you, headquarters.
Did you know you can see our pricing online? Although we love to answer the phone when you call, if you call after hours or we're not available, you can always see our price online instantly on our catalog.
Just pick up the phone and give us a call. We ship to your home. Customer service. Give us a call at 1-800-869-8711.